Welcome back, guys. It's Kids Coding Playground here, and today we're back for another video of Spaceship Adventure Game Part 2. So I'm gonna show you all the code that I've already done and what I've basically done. So here it is. Just copy it off. Feel free to pause anytime. So this is laser. Oh, we didn't even do laser yet. We didn't do alien either. Background. So this is background. So feel free to pause. Arrow. This arrow is for the left side. This arrow is for the right side. Doesn't really matter what side you put it on, but you just have to code it correctly. The start button. And the thumbnail. I will get to that. So first we're going to start with the laser. So the laser, it starts out at green flag click because that's what everything starts out with when you click this magical button. Set size is 20%, so it doesn't look that big because the laser is humongous right now. And then point in direction 0. But remember, guys, I've got a lot of comments of how do you get the laser? How do you get the laser? So this is how you get the laser. It's a button. You go here. I like what I mentioned in the first part. This button right here. I'm not going to use this, but look, you just put it. Look, simple. And then you just rename this to laser. There, you got laser. So that's basically what the button is for. And then it'll go to X position of the tricky block. You need 2 tricky blocks. So remember, always change the last one first. So spaceship, go to the X and Y, so then it will go to the spaceship. Y position. And then now you need to go hide. And then go forever. The forever glitch isn't here anymore. And then you need an if-then statement. But then the key space is pressed, the laser will fire out, which is normal for most of our games that we make. You can make it any other key, but I decided to make space key because space key is honestly the best for shooting out bullets. I mean, that's how it is. And then you need a go-to. You gotta go to the X position of the spaceship, the Y position of the spaceship. It'll move 20 steps. So it will go to the front of the spaceship when you shoot it out. Because it'll have some delay if it's in the middle. Because once you go to, it'll be right here in the middle, smack dab in the middle. So it'll have some delay while you shoot it. So it will go like So you do not want that delay, so you want to move 20 steps up so then it'll go like So yeah. You also need a show. And then you gotta repeat until touching edge. And then you also have to do move 20 steps. If you wanted to go slower, then move it less. And now you need to hide. And then you need a go-to X position, X position, Y position, spaceship. So we could just duplicate this and put it right up there. And then now, there we are done with the laser. So let's try it out. Woo! Woo, yeah! Yeah, we have done it. So, remember the review from last time, skin changing phenomenon, stuff like that, and start button, so you can shoot out laser now. Yay! Great. So now we're gonna work on the alien. So we're really close to be done, but the alien has a whole hunk of code. So I have 5 different types of aliens downloaded in Google Drive. If you do not know how to download it from Google Drive, please go to our channel and watch our video, how to download sprites from Google Drive. So we have everything in the Google Drive for you. So please do not use your school account, but use your normal account, like if your name was Tom Smith or something, then you would do Tom Smith and not your school account or whatever. So we have Ladybug 2A, which is just the normal Ladybug we always had. Alien, Alien 2, Costume 1, Costume 2. Basically, this one's from, what's that called again? Space Invaders. Space Invaders or something. This one's also from Space Invaders. I only played Space Invaders a few times. But this thing, I don't know what this is from online too, so I'll give them credit. So, yeah. So when the green flag is clicked, hide. And then when I receive start, then it will repeat 10 times. And it'll create clone of myself, which is basically create types of clones. And then when I start as a clone, it will switch costume, pick random 1 to 5. This is because when it switches the costume, since I have 5 costumes, it will switch to 5 costumes. So it can pick a random of the costume 1 to 5. So it's a 20% chance to get the ladybug, a 20% chance to get the green monster, a 20% chance to get the dark green monster, 20% chance to get the purple pixel monster, and a 20% chance to get the light blue eye alien. So yeah, so switch costume. Set size is 65%. Because I don't want the aliens that big and not that easy to hit. It's already 65, but I'm just adding this and then you guys can change it to 65. And it'll show. Go to X. Go to X. Pick random. Negative 220. A positive 220. 100. Pick random 100 to 175. This is because you don't want aliens spawning down here or like here or like here or here. No, like these are fine, but like here or here or here or on the spaceship itself, you do not want aliens to spawn there. So it's only going to be around here. And then now you need a forever loop. So forever, change Y by -2. So it'll go down slowly, maturely. So change Y by -2. So you need if then else. If then else. So you need if then else. So both the laser and the spaceship will go in and the alien will die. So whenever it gets hit by them. So I'll code that in just a second. So later I will have to use this block, so I'm just going to duplicate this, put it up to the side for a little bit, and I'll take it back. Once it's chilling, it's done chilling, I'll take it back. So if then else, you need if then else. So if then else the negative 175 is greater than Y position, then it will go to X position. So so basically, so go back to the top. If it's down here, it'll go back to the top. And then that's why I put that to the side. And then you need a if then in the if then else. And the if then in the if then else has to be an or statement. Has to be the touching laser or touching spaceship. And then it'll change score by 100. No, I mean, you need if then else in the if then, that's in the if then else. So you need a if then else in the if then else. So you need if then else in the if then. So you need the if then else in the if then, that's in the if then else in the forever. So the if then else, you gotta put touching laser. So right here, we can duplicate this. touching laser, it will change score by 100. And then it will change shield by -5, which means the shield will go down if it touches if it's touching the laser, it'll go up, the score will go up, but if it's touching the spaceship itself, it'll change shield by -5. It'll broadcast spaceship got hit. Oopsies. I put him there. Broadcast spaceship got hit. Ooh. Spaceship got hit. After you got the spaceship got hit, you need to hide, which you need to hide under the spaceship got hit script. And then you gotta put wait 1 second, a go to, which we need this same thing. So we need to put this go to right in here. And then after that, you have to show. And then we are almost done with the code. We are actually done with the code. So our aliens are done. So if you guys are confused, you guys can copy this down, which is just the forever. You put the change y by -2. You need an if then else. And then you gotta put a go to, this same as this one. And then you gotta, I'm just wrapping up the code. And then you need an if then. So basically that's what you need for this script. I can zoom in one out so you can see the whole entire thing. So yeah, now I'm gonna show you my game. So start, like you can choose your skin. So I'm gonna choose this skin because it looks cool. You know, I like this. I'm gonna choose this skin, pink rocket ship. Let's go. You click start. Look, the aliens are coming closer. Look, the aliens are touching the edge. So I'm about to code the end of the spaceship when it dies, but for now I'm gonna kill myself. No, I didn't kill myself yet, but like, you know, the shield is going down. Look, you can get score whenever you hit an alien, and then the shield is going down every single time I hit a alien. So I haven't not coded this stuff yet, so I will code the you lost sprite. So I'm gonna code the spaceship first for the spaceship got hit. So when I receive spaceship got hit, which we just made for off of the bug, it'll repeat 10 times. It'll change color effect by change color effect by 25. So it'll clear graphic effects in the end. So yeah, so clear graphic effects. Where's that? Right there. So there we go. We have this coded out. So now we have this clear graphic effects. So clear graphic effects in the beginning, and when you get hit, you'll turn back into normal. So, okay guys, we have to code the you lost sprite. After that, we have to code the thumbnail and then the backdrops, and we're all good. So first, we have to get the paint and sprite. Go to text, red. I'm go handwriting because in my original game I actually did you lost in purple and in marker. So this one's gonna be handwriting in red because you know whenever you lose in a game or something, it's always red. I don't know why. So you lost. I'm gonna see if I have to capital letter that. I don't think I have to. You lost. And then look, we have it. So I'm gonna make this gigantic. So I think that's the right size because whenever you lose, it's really big. It's like defeat or something. So when the green flag is clicked, it'll go to 0, 0. It'll hide. Go to front layer. it will wait 2 seconds. So this is where the big part comes in. So when you lose originally, if you lose originally one time, that means if you do not have this, whenever you lose, you will not be able to play again. Because the shield is messed up, you will see you lose when you play it again. So basically, I'm just gonna code it without the wait 2 seconds, and I'll show you what happens. Because I've seen a lot of featured games without the wait 2 seconds, so they're like, refresh the screen if it's not working or something. I don't know. So it's like, I'm gonna show you. So you need an or. So if the shield equals, or the shield equals 0, or the shield is less than 0, then show, and then stop all. So I'll show you. I'm gonna die real quick. So, I already died already, so look here, the shield 100, lucky play. So it says you lost, see? When you click it again, it still says you lost. Like, what is this? When you click it again, it works, but no one likes that little delay, right? So you should always put the wait 2 seconds, so then you can play again on your own game without the you lost coming in bug. So can I kill myself real quick? So like it's flashing, yeah. It's like you lost. Look, no, you lost. It's working. Yes. See, I've seen a lot of featured projects say that it's just glitching whenever you didn't do the you lost. So remember, this is very important. Now we have to do the backdrop. We have to edit some music. So I normally just set the volume to 20%, just because I want you to hear my voice. So set volume to 20% or 25, and then go forever. I'll play space ambience. I don't know how to pronounce that word. Yeah, this is space ambience. So you just put it in there, and look, we have our game. But first we have to edit a thumbnail. I'm just gonna tell you it works. Laser's working. Whenever you get hit, it's working. Flash red. Flash by area colors actually. The losing shield. Whenever you hit something, you gain a score. You can move up, right, left, down, and the you lost function is working. So now I'm gonna code the thumbnail. So the thumbnail, you go to the costumes. I already have this already. So I just wrote Space Adventure Game, drew the little Space Invader ship, put some little Space Invader dudes around it. So yeah. So you can copy it from here, like do Control A or just drag the whole thing. So Control C, Control V to the thumbnail, and then you got an alien, and you can add it on to your thumbnail. So this is just to make it look cooler, and in the end, it does look pretty cool, in my opinion. So, okay, so we're gonna work on the thumbnail, and so when the green flag is clicked, this is optional, but I highly recommend it to enhance your game. Even one little thing can make a difference. So it will go to 0, 0. Go to front layer. We actually have a video on this, so you guys can watch that on our channel. So yeah, there's a lot of videos for you guys to watch. We post weekly, like twice a week, maybe 3 times. So yeah, so go forever and reset timer. Today I'm posting on a Monday because there's spring break, and that means I can record more often. So that's great. And then when timer, so you need to use this. So when loudness timer is greater than 0.1, it'll hide variable score, so then you can see the little thing drop down. So you also gotta hide the shield, and it'll go to X 0, Y, 300, and it'll go to the front layer. And then next you have to make it show, and then glide 0.5 seconds to 0, 0. So it is not done. It is not quite done. So we have to, since I hid the thing, I have to show it again, or else you cannot see both of the variables. So show score, and then you gotta show variable shield. And then there we go. We have it. I'm gonna save this real quick. I already have the shared project up, so you guys can look at that if you guys do not know how to do it. So we have some spaceships here. Look, all the different skins. So when you click the stop, Space Adventure will come down. So look, great. Thumbnail's working. And yeah, about to end it around here. I'm watching my little skin. So if anybody can beat my high score, well, I'll give you nothing. I'll give you air. But if you can win my high score right now, I'll give you some air, okay? So see you guys in a second. I got 3,000. Of course I died on purpose just to finish this video up. But anyways, this has been great. So, in the end, I will be replying to some comments, because I have not been inviting people to my studio. I had done that in a while, but I did start doing that. So, I'm going to reply to one comment. So, thank you all guys for your support. Like, I.Tywo, the Scratch user right here. Thank you for his support, or her support. So, he is, or her is, giving me support by saying my video is nice. So, thank you. So, yeah, I think I'll end this video right now. Maybe, yeah. So, please like, share, subscribe, and comment in the comment section below. Anything you want to comment. Oh, oops, something wrong. So anyways, see you guys.